As a faculty member at a major university and an advisor of many students, often students come into my office and it's pretty clear that they're really interested in changing the world. I want to tell you about some really exciting opportunities available for students who are studying agronomy at either the bachelor's, master's, or PhD level. Agronomy is the study of, some people call them field crops, world food crops, really the crops that feed the vast majority of the world. Behind me is a field of corn, and there are many opportunities for students in research, for example, and this is a research plot. So students with a bachelor's degree could work as field technicians, helping researchers explore various aspects of corn production. At the master's and PhD level, students might find themselves working for private seed companies or organizations that do research in various aspects of corn production. And then at the PhD level, students might find themselves working at the university or at an international research institute, working in plant breeding and genetics or crop ecology, looking to improve the production of corn, especially in light of the fact that the climate is changing and there will be many challenges in all aspects of crop production related to that climate change.
I'm a recent graduate of an American university. I'm an agronomist. I've been very fortunate to get the experience to travel abroad and visit many, many countries. So my work today basically requires me to go to countries and work with farmers with crops like cassava, as you can see in the background, and try to understand more of the problems and challenges that farmers in other countries are facing. The opportunities that I've had to do this, I think, in part have been thanks to my training in agronomy. We work with farmers in trying to develop crops that are more drought resistant, for example, and crops that produce more under the conditions of the particular countries that we work with. As an agronomist, we get the opportunity to work with subsistence farmers. We also get to work with international organizations and research stations and many people. There's a diversity of different people involved in agriculture worldwide that agronomists can help. So personally, I think that having been trained in agronomy at an American university has provided these opportunities to travel abroad and work with these various organizations.
I'm an agronomy student at the university, and I've come back to school because I've been really interested lately in the impacts of fossil fuels have had on the environment. And what interested me most about agronomy is that agronomists study non-food crop alternatives to fossil fuel and the potential for creating carbon neutral fuels.
Some of the present-day studies that are being conducted on the impacts of climate change and crop production indicate that there are going to be some countries in the world that will be winners. There'll be maybe warmer temperatures in very northern latitudes, and the crop season may extend in those regions. However, in the areas of the world where right now people have the highest levels of malnutrition, those same areas are predicted to be severely impacted by the changes that may occur in the climate. And it is the job really of agronomists and some of the other interdisciplinary scientists that agronomists work with to meet those challenges for some of the most vulnerable people in the world today.